Hi guys, this is Alex again, and I'm just going to talk in a little bit more detail what happens in our bodies as we generate energy, okay? So what actually happens inside our cells is we have something called mitochondria. So this is, I tried to kind of draw what it generally looks like. Okay, so inside our cells we have little organs, tiny little microscopic things that are called mitochondria. And essentially you can think of mitochondria as our internal power plant, okay? So this is where we generate energy. Now what happens is when we ingest food, so when we have a meal, we have an inflow of glycogen, okay? So that's sugar, all right? And now sugar reacts with oxygen that we breathe in through our lungs, okay? So they react together inside the mitochondria to produce what's known as ATP molecules. So ATP molecules essentially is fuel ready to be burned. Okay, so that's essentially that's gas. That's fuel that can be used as energy. Okay. Now that's all really good, but there's one little downside to this process. As a byproduct, we also get what's called free radicals. Okay. Now you probably heard about free radicals. They're little nasty things. They cause a lot of damage to different tissues in the body, okay? So, because these free radicals are actually produced inside the mitochondria, they do a lot of damage to the mitochondria, okay? So, over the lifetime, this damage continues to accumulate. And essentially, these free radicals damage this mitochondria to the point where they become very inefficient in producing energy. So that's part of the reason why as we get older, our energy levels start to plummet and we become lethargic and tired and exhausted, okay? Now, there are a number of lifestyle factors that actually affect this process as well. So free radicals, we are at risk of getting more free radicals if we are exposed to things like cigarette smoking, alcohol, a few chemicals in our food that are known to be bad for us. There's a number of lifestyle factors that actually can increase the exposure to free radicals. Okay, so and that's another reason why we should be careful about what we eat and what we drink and just generally have a healthy lifestyle. So unfortunately, you can't reverse the damage to the mitochondria, but there's certain things that you can do to help you increase your energy levels. One of those things is exercise. So if you get fitter, if you exercise regularly, that actually does help to increase your energy levels. And there's a few other things that you can do that you can read further down in this book. All right, enjoy the rest of the book. Bye for now.